Those who are about their prayer heedless. As some of the scholars said, they delay their prayer from its proper time. They don't pray on time. They delay their prayers. And subhanAllah, that's a very worrying thing for the Muslims who have that habit of delaying the prayers and missing the prayers and making up the prayers at the end of the day. فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ. Hellfire, a curse from Allah to the people who delay their prayer from its proper time. They're heedless, they don't care about their prayer is not important to them. They're forgetful about it, they're not careful about it. They're not careful to pray it at its proper time. They're not careful how they pray. Like the munafiqeen, when they stand up for prayer, qamu kusala, they stand up lazily, in a state of laziness. They just want to quickly finish their prayer and go. And sadly, this is something that can happen to many Muslims.